think you were supposed to make a wish around here. Nolda, why? My wish not accepted? I wish that you subscribe to my channel. Wish not accepted?
Not this way.
Talk about amazing real estate. That's a Apple store, baby. It's like 90 degrees right now. Like it's gotten so bad that like my shirt is just wet. There's just no more sweat in my body. I'm done. All right, so with fresh cut at Singapore, in this next video you're about to see, we went to Marina Bay Square Mall. That's where a lot of kids area activities are. So you'll get a chance to see a couple of those activities for the kids that we took them to. And afterwards, we went to Marina Bay. We did the whole walk around at night around the marina. Definitely amazing views, amazing opportunity to take pictures. We got some cool pictures where the moon lined up with Marina Bay Hotel. You'll see that here in a few minutes, and hopefully you like it. Thanks. Louis Vuitton. It's a pretty big store. It's the biggest one I've seen. And it's right middle of the water. Talk about amazing real estate. Talk about amazing real estate. That's a Apple store, baby. Right on the water, shaped in a circle, round, outside of the mall, Marina Bay, Singapore. What an amazing Apple store. Here's the entrance to the Apple store at Marina Bay in Singapore. There you have your own walkable path on the freaking water going to the Apple store. And it's got plants, trees inside the store. And that's a one hell of a store. Kudos, Apple. And you notice the Apple store is green. Alright guys, so this is a ceiling fan, a big ceiling fan, middle of the road in Singapore, because it's so humid at night. All right, so we finally walked all the way around the marina, and we are front of the major tourist symbol where the head is a lion, the body is a fish. It's a good luck symbol. Let me turn the camera on. Voila, here you go. You got a bunch of people sitting here right by front of it. You got the Marina Bay Hotel, the wheel, the museum across the street. It's pretty big in size, a lot bigger than I expected. I expected something smaller. I think you were supposed to make a wish around here. I wish that you subscribe to my channel. That's my wish. How about that? Aye? Water stopped. Nolda, why? My wish not accepted? I wish that you subscribe to my channel. Wish not accepted?
Not this way, just other.
Other one's a wish? Oh, okay, okay. Circle one, okay. This is the most well-lit area. It's like 90 degrees right now. Like it's gotten so bad that like my shirt is just wet and my body's out of water. Like I just don't have any more water to sweat. And there's no need to go to the bathroom here because you just sweat it out. There's just no more sweat in my body. I'm done. Shido, 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 Shido. What you doing, Shido? You're making what? You're making what, Shido? What happened to the lion? You see the moon between the two towers? What a view. Look at that, guys. You got the moon right in the middle of the Marina Bay Hotel. Let me see if I can zoom in.